Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know we are super up close and personal today, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply false eyelashes. I love false eyelashes so much. They change a look and I love them. I could wear them every single day. I love them so much. I mean, ain't nobody got time to wear them every day, but if I did, I would wear them every single day. I can't believe I've never done a video on how I apply them. I usually speed through it in my makeup tutorials. Sometimes I go more in depth, but today I wanted to make a video all about it. I asked you guys on Twitter things that you struggle with, and there were so many false eyelashes tweets. I feel like all my girlfriends are always asking me, how do you do it? How do you do it? I can't do it. I can't do it. And I've just come across so many of you guys online and also in person that are struggling with false eyelashes, and I've been there. For a long time, I thought I would never be able to use false eyelashes because I just could not get it right. So I really hope today helps you guys, and I hope that I can break it down because trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. I believe in you. First things first, I'm gonna curl my lashes. This is going to help your natural lash blend with your false lash. I feel like I'm gonna start stuttering soon because it's so many lash. Say false lashes 3 times fast. False lashes, false lashes, false lashes. Curling your lashes is going to help your natural lash blend with your false lash because I don't know about you guys, but my lashes are just kind of like meh. You see how they're already like, these are, hi. So now I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm just using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm gonna apply a coat to my lashes. So obviously I didn't curl this side, so I'm just going to apply mascara without curling them so you can see what not to do. They're just not as up. See how these are like, The lashes I'm using today are New Bounce'em Bella Lash. These lashes can be really difficult to apply because they are super dramatic. So I chose these today just to show you how to apply them because these are really hard. If you can apply these, I feel like you can apply anything. And I have no eyeliner on today, so you're gonna see everything. Before you can even think about applying your lashes, you have to make sure the length is right. Everyone's eye shape is different. And if you apply a really long lash and you have tiny eyes, it's gonna look off. You have to make sure you cut the lash to fit your eye shape. I like to use some like tiny scissors like these. These are from House of Lashes, and these are already cut. I've already cut these. They were a lot longer. If a pair of lashes is too long for your eye, it's gonna droop downwards. So the lash is gonna like be down here and it makes your eyes look off. It's better to have them a little bit shorter than a little bit longer, but just take your time when cutting. Cut a tiny strip at a time. Don't just chunk half the lash and then destroy the lash and then you can't use it. If my lashes are too short, I always focus them on the outer corner because I like the outer part to be more flared. I will tell you right now, I cannot apply lashes without tweezers. I mean, I can, it's just really, really difficult. Tweezers save everything. Like they are just the best thing ever because it allows you to hold the lash and place it so much easier than using your fingers. So grab you a good pair of tweezers because you're gonna need these. I'm gonna use the House of Lashes glue. This is my favorite because it's latex free. I can't use latex glues, it irritates my eyes. So I'm gonna be using this today. Now, this is probably the most important step besides making sure your lashes fit. When you're applying your lash glue, make sure you let the glue set for at least 30 seconds. Do not apply the glue on the lash and then apply it to your eye because it's not gonna work. If you do that, your lash is not gonna stay on, it's not gonna stick. You have to allow the glue to get tacky and for it to dry a little bit, so that way it's almost like a sticker that you can stick on your eye. If the glue is really wet, it's just gonna move everywhere and you're not gonna be able to place it where you want. Especially the more dramatic the lash, the harder that this is. So when I go in with my lash, I always start in the center. I press the lash on the center and then I go in with the inner and outer corner. So I go right down on the center like that, and then I go to the outer part and the inner part. And then I like to kind of hold them both at the same time and squeeze the lashes with my real ones. Really focus on getting the inner and outer corner to stick. I feel like when lashes come off during the day, it's always on the inner or outer corner. So make sure that they are nice and tight. Again, these lashes are super dramatic, but I wanted to show you one of the hardest pairs of lashes I have to apply. So that way you could really see that if you can do it with these, it's gonna be so much easier with the lashes that you have at home. If the lashes feel like they're poking you on the inner corner, then they're not cut enough. I usually like to start my lashes about right here, so a little bit further in. Since these are more dramatic, I deal with it and I let them come in further because I think it looks really nice and full. However, with most of my lashes, I like to bring them in a little bit more. I can't stand when I can feel the lash on the inner part of my eye. So if you can feel it, just try cutting it a little bit more or bringing it out a little bit and not bringing the inner corner so far in to the inner part of your eye. Because you should not feel your lashes throughout the day. You should not feel it poking you on the inner corner or anywhere. It should be very comfortable. Now that my lashes are on, the only other tip I have for you guys is if the lash glue doesn't dry all the way or it looks uneven, take any kind of liquid or felt tip liner and just go along the band. Another thing that you can do is take a dark brown or a black eyeshadow. These lashes are really big, so I don't know if you guys can see my lash band. Another thing I'll do is take a felt tip liner and go right in between my lashes and the lash band. Sometimes I feel like you can see some of my like eyelid underneath between. I will pull them as close as I can, but they'll still be like a little bit seeping through. So all you have to do to fix that is take a felt tip liner and just literally like stick it in between the lashes and it'll coat in between, so that way you have just a full thick black lash band. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you have not already to join my little YouTube family, my A-team. Let me know down in the comments if you could master any makeup technique, what it would be, so that way I can plan my next tips and tricks video. I'm gonna be doing more how-to videos this year on my channel, like little tips and tricks, really breaking it down for you guys the best that I can, and hopefully it'll help a lot. Thank you as always for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.